Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Ravi Naik refuses his links with the alleged drug peddler. Atala says Lucky's statement is baseless, reveals that he was summoned by CBI on 5 occasions for investigation. Roy raises question about authenticity of copy of Lucky Farmhouse's statement. Prudent gets it confirmed from CBI. CBI agrees in private. Sudhinder Vikar hopes that Tilari issue will get resolved within 15 days. Fears that Goa may face acute water shortage. Ramakant Khalap meets Maharashtra CM. Chauhan assures to resolve the issue. Dulev Stadium to host I-League matches soon. FIFA sponsored artificial turf praised by football fraternity. And government will review condition of all playgrounds in January, says Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar. And now the news in detail. Ravi Naik has clearly refused any links with alleged drug peddler Atala. He said that Lucky's statement is baseless. This was Roy's first reaction on the statement given by Lucky Farmhouse to Interpol in police drug nexus case. Prudent had highlighted Lucky's statement in detail. Roy, while speaking to Prudent, informed that he was summoned by CBI 5 times in this connection. However, he refused to brief more.
Prudent मीडियाचेर एक कितरी न्यूज आयली रॉय संबंधी त्याबद्दल थोडोसो खुलासो करपा खातीर आज आमी तुमकां सगळ्यांक आपयला. जेन्ना इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा तेन्ना मिडियान सुद्दां एक रिपोर्टरांनी पॅरलल मिडिया ट्रायल करची न्ही ताजो ह्या ड्रग्स नॅक्सीस किंवा अटाला किंवा ताजी सेल्फ क्लेम ताजी गर्लफ्रेंड लकी फार्म हावस म्हणटा पळय ताजे कडेन कसलोच संबंद ना आनी कसलोच इनवॉल्वमेंटूय ना. जी ट्रान्सलेशन कोण तरी एक रिपोर्टर आपल्याक मेळ्ळें म्हणपाक लागलो ताजी ते ट्रान्सलेशनाची ऑथेंटिसिटी कितें क्रेडिबिलिटी कितें आतां हो स्टेटमेंट लकी फार्म हावस कोण लकी फार्म हावस म्हाका तुमी कोणें लकी फार्म हावसाक पळयलां लकी फार्म हावसानूच हो स्टेटमेंट दिला काय कोण लकी फार्म हावस म्हणजे जस्ट इमेजिनेशन कांयच कळना. हाजे पयलीं एक हें आयिल्लें 2 वर्सां पयलीं की ती गोंयांत येवपाक भिता म्हणून म्हाका आतां प्रश्न करपा आतां ती कित्याक भिता डिमांड असो ना. इट्स if there is any allegation let her come to go and give a statement. It's not a demand.
I was called by CBI for 5 times. I was there 5 times. I was there.
And that time that
ती कोण लकी फार्मर्स कोण नाशिल्ली.
it's still figment of imagination.
See, I don't know who, because when I asked when तांकां हांवें जेन्ना विचारलें they said बाबा even we have not seen her. This was a statement, right? आनी जे ड्रग्साचें जें आयलें तितून तर म्हाजो कांय संबंध ना हें हांव स्पश्ट करता आज.
तुका अशें दिसता की तुगेलो बापूय राजकारणान आसा.
Correct.
ती बदनामी बी करपा खातीर तुजे नांवाचो वापर करता.
That is a first stage म्हळ्यार प्रायमरी तेंच लागता न्ही पयलें तो राजकारणान आसा म्हणून चलना न्ही.
All allegations are lie against you.
100% न्ही.
While addressing the media, Ravi Naik raised a question about authenticity of the copy of Lucky Farmhouse's statement. Accepting his request, we approached the CBI and got confirmation that the copy in media's possession is indeed authentic.
तुम्ही ही सगळ्यांनी न्यूज जी दिल्या ते म्हाका तुमकां एक प्रश्न विचारपाचो आसा की तुम्ही ते ट्रान्सलेशनाचें CBI कडेन वचून कन्फ्रंटेशन केलें कन्फर्म केलें का बाबा हें ट्रान्सलेशन तेंच बाबा सेम ट्रान्सलेशन कॉपी काय आनी कितें कारण ट्रान्सलेशन कोणूय कितें पेपराचेर बरोवन दाखोवपाक शकता पळय रॉय नायक म्हणून ताका काय क्रेडिबिलिटी ना काय ऑथेंटिसिटी ना.
Addressing the media on Monday, Ravi Naik and his lawyer questioned the authenticity of the copy of Lucky Farmhouse's statement. We want to show our viewer that how we are sure about the authenticity of the copy. First, the mail containing English translation of Lucky Farmhouse's statement in PDF form was being sent from the official email ID of Indian Embassy in Sweden. Second, it is signed by the First Secretary of Indian Embassy in Stockholm, Sweden. Third, a receiving stamp of CBI, Goa is on the document with a receipt number. We are very much sure about the authenticity of the document before carrying out this story. Still accepting Ravi Naik's request, we approached the CBI. Though they refused to come on camera, but confirmed that the copy in our possession is true. He also said that investigation is going on in this case. Now Prudent Media asked these questions to CBI. Why were you not revealing existence of details in this copy? Why CBI going mild and soft over this case? Will CBI at least act in impartial manner after revelation of Lucky Farmhouse's statement? With video journalist Tulsidas Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dharwekar has hinted that Tilari issue has to be resolved within 15 days or else Goa will face acute water shortage. Dharwekar said that surplus water stored in Amthane Dam can be pumped in as compensatory supply for few more days. Meanwhile, Maharashtra CM has assured to resolve the Tilari issue through series of meetings with officials, agitators and the Chief Minister of Goa. Ramakant Kalap met Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan on Monday and at Oris in Sawantwadi and raised the issue.
So Chief Minister immediately ordered his officers that by evening when he reaches Delhi, he reaches Bombay, by night, today night, or latest by tomorrow morning, he would get all the facts related to this issue. Within a day or two, a meeting with the concerned ministers and officers will be taken. And he has also invited a delegation of the affected people to meet him in Mumbai, followed by a meeting with the Chief Minister of Goa to find an amicable solution.
Maharashtra CM Prithviraj Chauhan has assured to resolve the Tilari issue. Goa's former Deputy CM Ramakant Kalap, who met Chauhan on Monday, has now appealed the agitators to withdraw their agitation.
The assurance that I got from Maharashtra is that they will do everything possible. Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Nilesh Rane, Mr. Narayan Rane, all these ministers also had a meeting with the delegation of the ousties. And they requested them that since we are holding such meetings immediately in Mumbai and other places, they should allow the water to reach Goa. They should suspend their agitation. This request has been appealed to them, has been made.
Meanwhile, PWD Minister Sudhin Dharwekar has hinted that Goa has surplus water storage at Amthane, which could be pumped in to control scarcity, but it will last for almost 15 days more. Thereafter, the water problem will likely become more serious.
साधारण 20% to 25% आमकां उदक कट करचें पडटलें आनी 15 दिसांत जर उदक चालू जालें जाल्यार तो प्रश्न जावचो ना कारण आमचे कडेन सरप्लस उदक आसा त्या जें उदक आसा तातूंतल्यान आमी सद्या उदक पावयता आमठणे धरणांतल्यान जें उदक येता तातूंत आमी पंप करून अस्नोडा व्हरता त्या शिवाय न्हंयचें उदक व्हरता अश्यो गोश्टीक लागून तें आतां बरें तरेन चल्लां पूण हें कितपत चल्ललें होय प्रश्न आसा त्या खातीर 15 दिसां भितर हें जावपाची शक्यता आसा.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari and Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.